Local news for Tuesday the 14th of August. The regional winners are now preparing for the national final of the Bay Young Viticulturist of the Year 2018. The competition will take place on the 27th of this month at Palliser Estate in Wairarapa, the first time the national final has ever been held in our region. Scott Lansley will be representing our region, with the national winner set to take home a swag of prizes, including a Hyundai Kona for a year, an Agmart travel grant and $2,000 cash. Will the Wairarapa have the best fish and chip shop in the country? Voting opened at the beginning of the month for New Zealand's best fish and chip shop, and we've had some top results in the past. Mr Chips in Marston last year won the Mid-Food New Zealand's People's Choice Award for best chips in the country, with voting closing on the 12th of September. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush under-20s have beaten Wanganui 31-15 and are runners-up in the Hurricanes Heartland under-20 competition. 10 Wairarapa Bush players have also been named in the Hurricanes Heartland under-20 side and will contest the next rounds with selection for the New Zealand Heartland under-19 team up for grabs. The weekend also saw wins to the Wairarapa Bush under-11s and under-12s.